Hi guys. So this video will be a very short guide on how you can fix random JDK issues in React Native or Expo applications when you create a new project, right? So recently I created a new React Native project where I wanted to do some Gradle stuff in the Android Studio, right? But the thing is, it never worked and I couldn't understand what was the problem. But eventually I was able to fix it with the help of docs around the internet, right? So I will showcase how you can fix that if you encounter the same issue. Right? The main issue that I got was when I installed a new project, it got what I would say the JDK version was defaulted to a higher version like 21, etc. And then I got some Kotlin issues like dot set, etc. Right? Because in the latest version, I can't use equal to or some I have to use dot set, etc. Which is like absurd, right? Because in the latest version it worked and in the older version of 17 it worked and the latest version of 21 it didn't work. So in this guide I will explain how you can fix all those Gradle issues in both bare React Native and then in Expo React Native projects. Okay, the first step you have to do is first open your Android Studio, right? And then inside make sure that you have the latest version, and then the next step you have to do is tap on open and then go to your project folder, right? So my project folder is let's create a new project. First thing is it's the exact same thing for React Native CLI and then Expo CLI. So I'm just going to focus on React Native CLI, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create I'll go here, create new React Native project. Yeah, so I'll go here and then okay, here. This is the first one. Okay, here continue without Expo. I'm going to show you how to continue with Expo here. So continue. Can I use here? Yeah. Okay, I'll show you both. So Expo, what is it? JDK Expo, right? Something like this. And then I'll tap on enter, and here I will come out of this, and then go here and create another project called init, and then just JDK bare. Okay, so I'm creating these two projects in bare React Native and Expo CLI, right? So now what I'm going to do is in the Android Studio, I'm going to open up these both of these in the app folder. So the first mistake I did was I opened up the Android, like I opened up what I would say the apps folder. Okay, so for example, if I tap on not a new project, if I tap on open and then if I went to apps, and then what I did, if I literally went into this folder and tapped on app and then tapped on okay, right, open. What happened? There was an issue called Gradle wrappers not found and all those things. So never do that. It may be a silly mistake, but I am putting it out so that no one wastes time on this. Just like how I did, but it's not about this. Everything is a learning process and how you provide value to your people, like your users, right? So now here you have to tap on this and tap on open. Don't go here and tap on this and tap on open. Okay, that will not work because like Android Studio needs Gradle.properties to properly configure every native file. Okay, so you shouldn't do that. So now let's see here in this section. Here, okay, one more thing is for a Expo project. So I'm going to go inside the Expo project, and you guys should know this is okay. Valid name, okay, JDK, but and then wait, okay, it's installing. So now in a in a Expo project, if I go back here, there is no Android or iOS folder. Okay, so for that, what you have to do is you have to run npm expo prebuild. But if I do this, I am getting this error. Okay, so in order to fix this one, they say you cannot find module these things, right? So the export team has to fix this if they see my video, right? So I'll also show you the fix for this also. So I'll go here and then I'll simply run this command, right? And then that should fix it. Okay, this is no. Okay, so I'll fix this and then here npx expo prebuild. Now once I do that, Android and the iOS folders will be created. Okay, now inside our Android Studio, first I will show for the Expo project. So I'll go into JDK Expo and then I will tap on Android and tap on open. Same way, don't go inside app and do anything. Okay, tap on this and tap on open. Okay, so once you have done that, you can see immediately the Gradle will fail. Okay, I couldn't understand what was the problem at all. Okay, then you can see what is this like I couldn't understand, right? Like, what is the problem? No one understands still. But I understood the problem. What you have to do is tap on this Gradle, tap on this, tap on auto sync settings, right? And then here they have confused with, and like the previous Meerkat didn't have this UI, so the UX is bad here, but still we will always find a way to make it work, right? So tap on this. Before, what happened was this was automatically open if this particular tab open, but now you have to tap on this, tap on Gradle. Okay, here you see this is the most important one. Here, if you open the app folder, right, what happens? The wrapper will not be found, so you will get a wrapper not found error. So you can fix that by opening the Android folder, that would be fixed. The next one, you have to use MS17, this one, or whatever the 17th version which works for you. Zulu or this, for me, MS17 works well. Right now, it's now defaulted to 21, which caused a lot of error because it was auto defaulting to that. So what you have to do? Tap on this, tap on apply, tap on OK, and then rerun it. And one more thing, superb UX from Google. I don't understand why they did it. Okay, you should not toggle the offline mode on because it will not get the stuff from the internet. It will do only with the local stuff. So do not toggle it off. It should always be it shouldn't have this one. Okay, it shouldn't be in this manner. It should be in this way. And then tap on this, it would automatically get all the Gradle files, etc. Okay. Now the same for what is it like the bare React Native one. So this will automatically gets installed the same way. I will go. Okay, actually we can't run two Android studios at the same time, but you can see it is automatically getting configured in SDK and then Kotlin and all these things. You can see it's automatically getting configured. This is how you fix the JDK 17 or JDK 21 issue with the Kotlin, etc. Okay, it has been bugging me a lot, but now I finally got it working. So if you get into any of these issues and you have no one to help, this video will definitely help you on solving this. Okay, so this I'll close this same way. Open apps, JDK bar, Android. Okay. I'll also show you with app, right? If it open with app, I'll show you. I'll go to Gradle. I'll go to auto sync. You can see Gradle properties not found will be there. This also, like, I accidentally opened that, then it caused a lot of problems. Like, it's not like what I would say. Like, everyone knows everything. Right? People make mistakes. So from the how we come out of that mistakes without any ego, etc., is how we move forward. So you shouldn't open with that, right? The same way you can see the Gradle is automatically defaulted to 21. So change it to 17, and then it should automatically work. Right? You can see all these errors, NPX. I couldn't understand what is your problem. Now I understood the problem. I solved it. Now all my apps are working properly. So what I have to do, I'll go here, tap on. I will not this. I will remove this. Remove from recent project. Remove. Open apps, JDK bar, and Android. Open. Okay. So once I do that, I'll go to Gradle. This one, auto sync, and then build tools. MS17, some 17 version. Okay. So apply and okay. If I do this again, it should work. That's it. That's how you fix the JDK 17 issue, or like, and then the Kotlin.set, etc. When you run npm run Android or npm or Gradle assemble release, right? The main thing is you want to run the app in the like build the app in Android Studio. Without this, you won't even be able to like build anything. That's the problem. I don't understand why they did this, but whatever. So yeah, that's it for this particular video. So if we have any other suggestions on how you can or whichever problem you have, you can let me know, because this was a problem which bugged me so much I couldn't find a solution. But anyways, I got it. So I made this video to help you guys. Thanks.